Hi, first grade friends. Today we are working with long E, silent E. You'll notice in our word boxes up at the top, all of our words have long vowel, silent E. Long vowel, silent E. Long vowel, silent E. Long vowel, silent E. All of our words today that we're working with have that long E with that silent E. Our first word, you can tell the arrow is pointing to the nighttime sky. Another word for nighttime is evening. 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 Please write evening in your best handwriting. Way to go. Draw our gesture, long vowel, silent E. And remember, ing says ing, evening. I like to cross off the word when I'm done to help stay organized. Our next picture is a picture of a phone, but the arrow is pointing to a meme. A meme is a fun picture that you can send when you're texting someone. Meme. M-E-M. Meme. Please write meme in your best handwriting. And when I'm done, I'm going to draw my gesture, long vowel, silent E. Cross off meme when you're done. Well, this picture looks familiar. This picture is a picture of a movie scene. Scene. There's a C in there that we don't really hear. Scene. Long vowel, silent E. Scene. Cross off scene when you're done. Our next picture is two racers, and they are about to compete. Eat. Compete. Long vowel, silent E. Please draw the gesture. I like to cross it off when I'm done. Next picture is a picture of a theme park. Theme. 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 With a silent E at the end. Theme. Long vowel, silent E. Theme. Cross it off in my word box when I'm done. Our next picture is a newspaper, and the arrow is pointing to the lead story. Lead. O-E-D. With a silent E. That silent E makes that vowel say its name. Lead. O-E-D. Lead. Cross off lead from my word box when I'm done. You can see we have the words complete, these, and delete left. Our next word or picture is complete. K-A-M-P-L-E-T. Complete. Please write the word complete. Complete. Long vowel, silent E. Remember, friends, if I'm ever going too fast for you, you can go ahead and pause the video to catch up. Our next picture is these. 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 TH digraph says these. Long vowel, silent E. Our last picture is delete. D-E-O-eat. Delete. Delete. Long vowel, silent E. All right, friends, we are working with long I, silent E. So we're going to color the long I, silent E words. Our first word is nice. N-I-S, nice. Long vowel, silent E. So I know I need to color it because that I is saying I because of that silent E. Our next word is hill. H-I-L, hill. That I is saying I, not I, so I'm not going to color it. Next word, side. S-I-D, side. Long vowel, silent E. I is saying I because of that silent E, so I'm going to color it. Next word, like. O-I-K, like. Long vowel, silent E. The I is saying I because of the silent E. Our next word is ring. R-ing, ring. There's no long I in the word ring, so I'm not going to color it. Next word, ride. R-I'd, ride. Long vowel, silent E, so I'm going to color it. Please pause the video and do the rest of the word box by yourself. Our words are pin, pike, rice, sip, tide, and file. Now, friends, we're going to do spin, read, and write. With your paperclip, please spin the paperclip and write here in the numbers whatever word you land on. You'll notice that our words all have long vowel, silent E. Long vowel, silent E. All of those words have the vowel sound I because of that silent E. Our last section is our word box section. Our first word is ride. R-I-D, ride. I can see here that I have the long vowel, silent E, ride. R-I-D, silent E, making that I say its name, ride. I like to cross it off when I'm done. Next word is nice. N-I-S, nice. Long vowel, silent E. N-I-S, nice. Long vowel, silent E. Cross it off when I'm done. Next word is pike. P-I-K, pike. Long vowel, silent E. P-I-K, pike. That I is saying its name because of that silent E at the end. Our last two words are file, F-I-O, and like, O-I-K. Please put them where they go. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great today. I'm proud of you.